Hello, it's Katie, and today we are going to put this flex together. Finally, it's been a minute. Let's start off with a little introduction to the dolly. It's made of plastic so it will not rust, and it also has these drain holes. So that way if you spill water in there, it's not going to build up or get stale or anything like that. You may also notice the drip pan that's underneath the dolly. That's because I'm a very clumsy person and I spill water all the time when I'm filling up the tower garden, and that's just me. You can get drip pans from any gardening store, home improvement store, anything like that. Next, we're going to connect the pump to the tower using a blue swivel hose. It's connected to the tower on one end and the other end is screwed to the top of that pump. Pro tip, make sure to knot that cable for the pump. Put that on the inside, thread it through. This will make the whole process a lot easier and prevent any leaking. When you first get your tower garden flax, it comes with these rods, and it has a wing nut and a hex nut already attached to them. We're going to remove those wing nuts, but do not lose them. The hex nuts we're going to leave there, and that's what's actually going to keep the rod upright without it falling through. Right now, I'm threading them in the holes. You always want to start off with hole A. From underneath, I am screwing in that wing nut, but notice how I'm twisting the rod. I'm just holding that wing nut in place and twisting the rod, making sure it's nice and tight, and voila! See how they stand up straight? Lovely, perfection. Now for the fun part, we get to proceed with stacking our grow pots. Inside, you'll notice that we have holes that are marked A and holes that are marked B. Since we started with the rods in hole A for that first grow pot at the bottom, we're gonna thread them through with B and then alternate back to A and then back to B, and they should stack something like this, like Legos. How fun, woohoo!